If you are dealing with crowning on the through-frame slide, note that you can identify the crowning by the warping of the top of the tube to the point where the wear tabs no longer guide the inner tube properly. Extend the slide out fully to give yourself plenty of room to work and to make sure that your measurements are accurate. Take a couple of 5/16 flat washers and notch them out to fit around the wear tabs. You may need to tap the wear tabs down gently without knocking them free to fit the washers. Slide the notched washers into the gap created by the wear tabs when they were tapped down. Now that the inner arm is resting in its normal position, measure the outer and inner tube positions to ensure you have adjusted the crowning properly so that there is a difference of no more than a quarter inch. You will need to adjust the room vertically to prevent crowning concerns from happening again in the future. To do this, loosen the two carriage bolts on the back of the head assembly. Once the carriage bolts are loose, the head will be able to shift. Next, loosen the vertical adjustment bolt at the base of the head assembly by loosening the jam nut below the head assembly. Adjust the vertical adjustment bolt upward a quarter turn at a time until the room is properly aligned, and then re-secure the vertical adjustment bolt by tightening the jam nut against the head assembly. To finish locking our adjustments into place, retighten the carriage bolts on the head assembly.